In this camper training video, we will be discussing assembly and disassembly. Assembly. Attach the liner to the helmet. If the helmet liner requires reassembling, place the liner inside the helmet. First, secure the top front snaps. Ensure that the power cord lines up with the slot in the liner, then secure the bottom rear snaps. Ensure the liner bottom lip is fully up against the rear of the helmet. Attach the filter cartridge to the helmet. Set the rear of the filter cartridge down over the rear of the helmet. Snap the rear filter cartridge snap tab to the rear top snap of the helmet. Making sure the side filter cartridge tabs are over the side helmet snaps, press down on the front of the filter cartridge plastic retainer until the holes in the side tabs are over the side helmet snaps. Secure the side tabs to the snaps. Attach the filter cover cap to the helmet. Place the front alignment hole of the filter cover cap over the helmet front attachment post. Pull the rear of the filter cover cap back and down onto the helmet until the filter cover cap rear T-tab snaps over the helmet lower rear snap. If the helmet has a pull tab, secure the pull tab to the rear filter cover cap snap. Attach a DLC. The DLC is a disposable lens cuff with 3 mounting holes in the center, on the right, and on the left. The lens is positioned on the outside front. The cuff is positioned on the inside. The camper helmet has 3 attachment posts for the DLC, 1 in front and 1 on each side. Always start with the medium-large DLC unless the user's head is very small. The size label is in the upper left corner of the DLC when the cuff is facing you. The top of the medium-large DLC is a wave pattern, whereas the top of the small DLC cuff is straight across. Prior to attaching the DLC, use the pull tab to remove the protective liner from the front side of the DLC lens. With the label and cuff facing into the helmet, place the DLC center hole over the helmet center attachment post and then attach the left and right side DLC mounting holes over the left and right side helmet attachment posts. Disassembly. Start by removing the disposable lens cuff. Grasp the DLC near the side attachment holes and pull outward and forward, away and clear from the helmet. Dispose of the DLC according to hospital protocol. Removing the filter cover cap. If your helmet has a rear pull tab, start disassembly by unsnapping it from the filter cover cap. Momentarily press down on the rear of the filter cover cap. Pull up on the T-tab to unlatch it from the rear lower snap. Gently remove the filter cover cap. To remove the filter cartridge, unsnap the left and right snaps. Lightly place your thumb against the helmet front mounting post and with your fingertips under the front edge of the filter cartridge plastic retainer, lift the front of the filter cartridge up and back off the helmet. Removing the helmet liner. Generally, the liner does not need to be removed. If removal of the liner is necessary, be certain that the power cord is in line with the power cord slot in the liner. Hold the helmet at the side rear with one hand. Grasp the liner just above the front comfort strip with the thumb of the other hand. Unsnap the 2 liner front snaps by pulling the liner with your thumb away from the helmet.